Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Welcome to Everyday Nurse. I am Annie, your nurse host, and today we're going to be talking about hormonal imbalance, a topic that is near and dear to my heart as a mother of 5. And I am going to be talking about the connection between your diet and your hormones, what you eat and how it affects your body. Let's take a deep dive into it. So if you are coming here to a video about hormonal imbalance, you likely struggle with some of the symptoms of hormonal imbalance. At least you may be just looking into it. You may have already gotten tested and you may have confirmed that you have hormonal imbalance, which I really suggest you should do. But you're here, you may suffer from fatigue or irritability, mood swings, dry skin, falling, thinning hair, maybe just sleeplessness, dryness, decreased libido, just so many things. I think there's over 70 symptoms that have been linked with hormonal imbalance. So it's not always hormonal imbalance just because you have those symptoms, but it could be. So make sure to get tested and confirm that. Meanwhile, we're going to talk about how you can help your body, just some natural tips and tricks. I am not your everyday doctor, so I'm here to give you information. So what are hormones exactly? To put it simply, hormones are messengers in your body that can affect your mood, they can affect your metabolism, they can affect your energy levels, they obviously affect your reproductive cycles and functions, and hormones are a crucial part of your body balance. So when we talk about holistic health, which is what I love to focus on, you have to look at the body as one living organism, not several parts. If you have symptoms of any sort, you have a headache, something is going on, and it could be in your feet. I'm just saying, like, it's so connected that you cannot separate one part of your body from the other. So you really have to take an approach that looks at your habits, that looks at your diet, that looks at your exercise, that looks at your mood, like your overall well-being, your psychological well-being. You have to look at your stress factors, and all those things come together to form your daily presentation of your body, whether in symptoms, physical, mental, whatever, okay? So let's talk about how foods can affect your hormone. The first thing we're going to talk about is high sugar, high carb foods. Now, these just create spikes in your blood glucose levels, which is, a source of energy for the body. But because they're just very simple carbs, the body does not have to take time to break them down. And your blood sugar just goes pew, and it goes way up. And you may get a surge of energy, yes, but what happens soon after? It runs out and then you just come crashing down, right? If you eat more complex carbs, your body is able to process those slowly and release the energy in your body over a span of time, so you don't have that high-low effect. So what does that sudden up and down do? How does that affect your body? Insulin is a hormone. So eating foods like that can affect your insulin. And insulin is a key factor in keeping our blood sugar down. So another thing you want to think about when you're eating these highly processed, high sugar foods is that they usually contain a lot of unhealthy fats as well. And that can cause inflammation in your body, which will affect your overall hormonal function. Now, let's talk about the bright side, foods that help your hormones. In first place, we have the omega-3 fatty acids. So you have your salmon, and then for the plant-based, you have flax seeds, walnuts. That's not the end of the list, but this is just something that you can easily think of and incorporate into your diet, okay? I prefer the plant-based version, and it's really good to reduce inflammation in your body. Also, fiber-rich foods like lentils and beans, vegetables, cruciferous vegetables, your cabbages, your kales, your fruit. Unfortunately, there is no fiber in meat, in animal products. So you get all your fiber from either supplementation or eating plant-based food. You know, the more of those things you can get in there, the better it is for your hormonal health. Let's not forget about the protein. Protein is essential for hormonal health as well. You've got your lean meats, you've got your tofu, beans again, and your legumes, Greek yogurt, things like that that are great for a protein source and are also good for your body. Let's also talk about fats. You need good fats in your body. You need good fats. Hormones, cells in your body in general are made out of fat on their outer layer. So you've got your cells, you've got your nerve cells, you've got hormones. These things require fat in order to be built properly. So make sure to get all your natural, healthy, plant-based fats like avocados, olive oil, coconut oil. Get your fat. It'll help with your supple skin. If you're experiencing a lot of dryness in your skin, your hormones can be imbalanced, but you may also not be getting the good, healthy fats, not fried foods, healthy whole fats in your diet, okay? Remember, this channel is here to help you incorporate healthy living using small daily steps that add up to this huge giant result, okay? Eventually. This is not a get healthy quick scheme, all right? That's it for today. Very simple, easy steps that you can take. For more information, tips, and tricks, visit our website, everydaynurse.com, and or check out our other videos on the channel. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.